1. Eat. I eat breakfast every morning. 2. Drink. I drink water after exercise. 3. Sleep. I sleep for 8 hours. 4. Sit. Please sit on the chair. 5. Stand. Stand here for a moment. 6. Walk. I walk to school daily. 7. Run. Children run in the park. 8. Jump. She can jump very high. 9. Talk. They talk every evening. 10. Speak. Please speak slowly. 11. Listen. Listen carefully to the teacher. 12. Hear. I can hear the music. 13. Look. Look at this picture. 14. See. I see birds in the sky. 15. Watch. We watch movies on weekends. 16. Smile. She always smiles at me. 17. Laugh. They laugh loudly. 18. Cry. The baby is crying. 19. Read. I read 1 page every day. 20. Write. He writes beautiful letters. 21. Open. Open the door, please. 22. Close. Close your notebook. 23. Start. Let's start the game. 24. Stop. Stop talking now. 25. Work. I work in an office. 26. Study. She studies English daily. 27. Buy. I buy vegetables from the market. 28. Sell. He sells fresh fruits. 29. Cook. My mom cooks delicious food. 30. Clean. I clean my room on Sunday. 31. Wash. Wash your hands properly. 32. Drive. He drives very safely. 33. Ride. She rides a bicycle. 34. Learn. I learn new words daily. 35. Teach. She teaches maths. 36. Help. Please help me. 37. Hold. Hold my hand. 38. Touch. Don't touch the hot pan. 39. Build. They build new houses. 40. Break. Don't break the glass. 41. Cut. Cut the paper neatly. 42. Fix. He fixes broken phones. 43. Push. Push the door to open. 44. Pull. Pull the drawer gently. 45. Send. I will send you the file. 46. Receive. Did you receive my message? 47. Pay. I pay my bills online. 48. Call. Call me later. 49. Text. She texts me every night. 50. Move. Move the chair a little. 51. Borrow. Can I borrow your pen? 52. Lend. I will lend you some money. 53. Bring. Please bring your books. 54. Take. Take this water bottle. 55. Turn. Turn left at the signal. 56. Fold. Fold the clothes properly. 57. Unfold. Unfold the bedsheet. 58. Shake. Shake the bottle well. 59. Carry. I carry my bag myself. 60. Lift. Lift this box carefully. 61. Drop. Don't drop your phone. 62. Pick. Pick your shoes from the floor. 63. Throw. Don't throw garbage outside. 64. Catch. Catch the ball quickly. 65. Hug. She hugs her friend tightly. 66. Kiss. She kissed the baby gently. 67. Brush. Brush your teeth twice. 68. Comb. Comb your hair neatly. 69. Iron. I iron my clothes every day. 70. Pack. Pack your lunch. 71. Unpack. Unpack your suitcase. 72. Switch on. Switch on the fan. 73. Switch off. Switch off the lights. 74. Connect. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi. 75. Disconnect. Disconnect the charger. 76. Order. I ordered food online. 77. Reply. Please reply soon. 78. Check. Check your email daily. 79. Change. Change your dress. 80. Call. He calls his mom. 81. Shout. They shout loudly. 82. Whisper. She whispers a secret. 83. Act. He acts in movies. 84. Play. Kids play outside. 85. Practice. I practice English daily. 86. Improve. She improves her skills. 87. Grow. Kids grow fast. 88. Share. I share my notes. 89. Change. She changes her clothes. 90. Break. He breaks the rules. 91. Protect. They protect animals. 92. Save. I save money. 93. Spend. She spends wisely. 94. Buy. I buy groceries. 95. Sell. They sell vegetables. 96. Pay. He pays the bill. 97. Borrow. She borrows my book. 98. Lend. I lend him money. 99. Return. They return home. 100. Send. I send you a message. 101. Receive. She receives a gift. 102. Pick. Pick a number. 103. Drop. Don't drop the glass. 104. Lift. He lifts heavy weights. 105. Shake. They shake hands. 106. Wave. She waves at me. 107. Breathe, I breathe slowly. 108. Smell the food smells good. 109. Taste the cake tastes sweet. 110. Feel, I feel tired today. 111. Arrive, they arrive early. 112. Depart, the train departs soon. 113. Plan, I plan my day. 114. Organize, she organizes her desk. 115. Explain, I explain the topic. 116. Discuss, they discuss ideas. 117. Argue, don't argue with me. 118. Decide, she decides quickly. 119. Choose, I choose the blue one. 120. Agree, they agree with you. 121. Disagree, I disagree with this. 122. Allow, parents allow kids to play. 123. Refuse, he refuses the offer. 124. Promise, I promise to help you. 125. Apologize, she apologizes politely. 126. Invite, they invite us to dinner. 127. Wish, I wish you luck. 128. Hope, she hopes for the best. 129. Believe, I believe in myself. 130. Trust, they trust their teacher. 131. Fear, he fears the dark. 132. Love, I love reading books. 133. Hate, she hates loud noise. 134. Enjoy, they enjoy the party. 135. Prefer, I prefer tea over coffee. 136. Need, she needs help. 137. Want, I want to learn English. 138. Like, they like music. 139. Dislike, I dislike waiting. 140. Guess, can you guess the answer? 141. Predict, experts predict rain. 142. Measure, they measure the height. 143. Test, I test my skills. 144. Compare, she compares prices. 145. Record, they record videos. 146. Report, I report the problem. 147. Schedule, she schedules meetings. 148. Prepare, I prepare breakfast. 149. Arrange, they arrange chairs. 150. Note, I note important points. 151. Repair, he repairs the car. 152. Fold, she folds the clothes. 153. Throw, they throw garbage. 154. Sweep, she sweeps the floor. 155. Dust, I dust my table. 156. Boil, they boil water. 157. Fry, she fries potatoes. 158. Bake, I bake cookies. 159. Stir, he stirs the soup. 160. Mix, they mix the colors. 161. Press, press the button. 162. Type, I type fast. 163. Train, train your dog. 164. Practice, practice daily. 165. Achieve, achieve your goals. 166. Earn, earn more money. 167. Spend, she spends wisely. 168. Invest, invest your time. 169. Calculate, calculate the marks. 170. Organize, organize your desk. 171. Review, review the notes. 172. Rewrite, rewrite the sentence. 173. Memorize, memorize this list. 174. Correct, correct your mistake. 175. Improve, improve your skills. 176. Grow, grow your business. 177. Build, build your future. 178. Design, design a thumbnail. 179. Shoot, shoot the video. 180. Record, record the audio. 181. Edit, edit the clip. 182. Publish, publish the post. 183. Promote, promote your reel. 184. Collaborate, collaborate with creators. 185. Review, review your script. 186. Organize, organize the files. 187. Highlight, highlight the text. 188. 188 underline the word. 189 practice speaking. 190 focus on learning. 191 notice the details. 192 observe carefully. 193 relax your mind. 194 breathe slowly. 195 hold your breath. 196 wave your hand. 197 shake hands. 198 celebrate your success. 199 thank your teacher. 200 I appreciate your effort. And that was your list of 200 powerful action verbs. If you want to improve your English fluency, start using these verbs in your daily sentences. Practice them, repeat them, and speak confidently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more English learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing.